Do you love knowing about all of the best bars and restaurants? Do you love being able to live in a place that has tons of delicious dining opportunities and options? Well, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the best Baltimore neighborhoods for foodies. Baltimore is actually a culinary town, and we are going to talk about the neighborhoods where you can get the most delicious meals. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because the last foodie neighborhood might surprise you. If you are new to the channel, welcome. You have come to the right place if you're looking for all there is to know about living, working, and thriving in the Baltimore metro region. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you tap the bell for notifications so that you can be alerted as soon as there is new content to the channel. Hi, my name is Persia. I'm a local realtor, and every day I get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you who are learning about Baltimore, who are thinking about making the transition to Baltimore, and I absolutely love it. So whether you are looking to make the move in the next 9 days or 90 days, please feel free to reach out to me and to my team. We would be thrilled to help you. You can reach us via phone call, text message, email. We can schedule a video call, and it would be our absolute pleasure to help you make a smooth transition to Baltimore. Okay, so let's dive right in. Number one on Baltimore's foodie neighborhoods is Hampden. And Hampden is a neighborhood that you have probably heard a lot on this channel, but specifically for culinary choices, Hampden is an excellent neighborhood if you love delicious food and want plenty of choices. Hampden is traditionally known as a blue-collar neighborhood, but recently, probably in the past 10 years, has gone through a lot of gentrification and now is known as one of the most hip and alternative neighborhoods in Baltimore. You can find all types of cuisine in Hampden. Some of my favorites are the Food Market, which serves American cuisine. There's Ellicott, which serves Asian fusion cuisine, but you can find everything. I recently went to a restaurant called Corkscrew, which is a new Black-owned restaurant that was absolutely delicious. So there are tons of culinary options in Hampden. One of the best things about Hampden is that it's also very walkable. So it is a great option if you want to live in this neighborhood and live to amazing bars and restaurants. The Avenue, which is West 36th Street in Hampden, is an area that has the majority of these places. So if you live anywhere close to West 36th, you'll be within walking distance of plenty of delicious places to eat. In addition to being a great culinary environment, Hampden has lots of housing options too. You'll find your share of historic row houses, all the way up to new construction row houses. You'll find condominiums, so it's a great place to live and dine. Okay, number two on the list of Baltimore's best foodie neighborhoods is Canton. And Canton is one of these neighborhoods also that is really popular, has made a lot of the lists on my channel. And one of the reasons is that it has a lot of options. It has a lot of housing options. It has a lot of food options. It's walkable. So it's a really great neighborhood to get everything that you're looking for all in one place. Canton is near the waterfront. It's home to an active population of young professionals. It has a pretty mixed demographic of people. It has active nightlife. So there's a lot of things to get into and a lot to enjoy about the neighborhood. One of the Canton restaurants that I recently visited and really enjoyed is Ni Hao in Baltimore, and it is authentic Chinese cuisine and it's served family style, and I had a really great experience. I really like Chinese food and I think they did an excellent job, so it's definitely a restaurant that I would recommend if you are ever in the Canton area. Okay, next on the list of Baltimore foodie neighborhoods is Fells Point, which is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Baltimore City. Fells Point is right near the harbor, so you'll definitely find your share of seafood restaurants. And one of the things that stands out in Fells Point, as well as other places in Baltimore, other neighborhoods, are oysters. Oysters are definitely a staple when it comes to the dining experience in Baltimore. And in some areas, like happy hour times, you can even get shuck-a-buck oysters. So you can get an oyster shucked for just $1. Fells Point is also really known for its live music. If you go down to Fells, you will hear bands playing and the music just coming out of the restaurants, which is really nice. It's also popular for young professionals who are looking for great happy hour specials. This neighborhood Fells Point has in common with some of the others is that it's super walkable. So if you lived in this neighborhood, you would easily be able to walk to some amazing bars and restaurants. Some of my favorite places in the Fells Point area to eat are Peter's Inn, which is fabulous. It's a small hole-in-the-wall American restaurant, but it just has an amazing atmosphere. It's like real Baltimore dining. So I would definitely check out Peter's Inn. Duck Duck Goose, I haven't eaten there yet, but it's supposed to be really good for French cuisine. And if you're looking for a coffee shop slash cafe for a great sandwich, I love Patango Bakery, which is on Ann Street, and it's right near the water, and it's one of my absolute best favorite places to get a sandwich, a cup of coffee, to get a salad. They have a fabulous beet salad. So yeah, those are my favorites in Fells. Okay, and last on the list of Baltimore's foodie neighborhoods actually isn't in Baltimore. The last one is Ellicott City, Maryland. As I've said in some of my other videos, city living just isn't for everybody, and that's absolutely okay. We want to make sure that everybody's covered in this video. Ellicott City is actually located in Howard County, and it's about a 20-minute drive from Baltimore downtown. Historic Ellicott City's Main Street is so charming and quaint. It has a mix of antique stores, boutiques, it has cafes. It's one of a kind, really unique, and definitely a place to check out if you've never been there before. Two places to check out to eat in Ellicott City are the Manor Hill Tavern and the Trolley Stop. The Trolley Stop is interesting because it's actually an old trolley station that they've converted into a bar and restaurant, so that's a really cool place to check out. Well, there you have it, some foodie neighborhoods in Baltimore for you to check out and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you found it helpful. My name is Persia, and if you are thinking about making the transition to Baltimore, please reach out to me and my team. We would be absolutely thrilled to help you to make a smooth transition to Baltimore. We can talk to you about the neighborhoods and best places to live for you. So make sure that you reach out to us via phone call, text message. You can email us, we can have a video call, and it would be our pleasure to help you make the move to Baltimore. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.